Today's tour is gonna be in the Seven Lakes. Welcome. Let me show you this incredible house. It's a two-story house that has 3 garages, a driveway that's a turnaround driveway. It's a full of brick. It's a very luxury house. At the same time, it's in a great neighborhood. Let's go and check it out.
Welcome to the most beautiful part of this house, which is the balcony of this master bedroom. This is actually my favorite part. You can see the whole backyard, beautiful backyard from this balcony, and also you have the 7 lakes here in front of you and also the golf course. Look how beautiful this view is. And here you have at the backyard, you have a fire pit, you have a swimming pool, you have a sitting area, a jacuzzi. You can basically see everything from this balcony. Look how beautiful and big the size here. You do have 3 windows on this side and also 3 big windows on that side. And you have the door that takes you out to the balcony. And you can add table, some couch, chairs, and also you can add the king bedroom.
I like the fact that it has a drop ceiling, gives a lot of like a luxury touch, a very neat touch to the house.
Of course, I really like it. And also there is a built-in speakers in the ceilings, and also you do have spotlights here at the ceiling, which gives it a very unique touches. Now let's show you the walk-in closet here. You basically have two vanities here, big ones. And also you have a roof, you have cabinets, a lot of stuff in here. You can put a lot of things. The cabinets are so big. The area here is so huge.
The separation between the walk-in closet, like this thing could be for him, this could be for her.
Of course.
It's a very nice mix.
This is very enough for one person. This is also very big and good size for another one person. And here, let's show you the beautiful bathroom for this master bedroom. Look how beautifully designed these cabinets are. There's double vanities here. You have this cabinet right in the middle. And also you have this big aisle that takes you through to the end of the bathroom, which is you have built-in jacuzzi, and also you have a stand-up shower here. Look how big the size is. Like I can walk in very comfortably in here. Do you see how big the size is?
And I like that it has speakers even inside the bathroom.
Oh
so
yeah,
you can
of course.
have some fun while
Here they
taking a
give
shower.
you all the vibes that you need to enjoy your own jacuzzi or your own shower. Here you have your own separate water closet. Now let's continue the tour and show you the other parts of this house. Here on this side you have this laundry room. You have a lot of cabinets here you can use. There are a lot of storage. So this is the second bedroom here, of course, with its own bathroom. And this is a beautiful cabinet with the top granite. And also here you have an aisle first before you come and enter to the end of the bedroom. I noticed this in every bedroom here. You have an aisle first before you go ahead and reach to the end of it, which gives a privacy for each bedroom here. Of course, you do have 2 big windows here, spotlights at the top, and you have your own walk-in closet. The size is very big in this house.
Because of the big size of this house, you have a whole aisle that takes you to the right side of the house, which has 2 bedrooms. But here is something that we've never seen in this channel before. It's a living area in the 2nd floor. So you have a living area right here with a huge window and amazing view to the 7 lakes. Like imagine sitting here, watching could be a movie like this could be, because this house is not furnished right now, but it could be furnished. When it's furnished, you could put a sofa here, you can put a TV right here, and again, your amazing view to the golf course and 7 lakes on this side.
Saif, I think they can transfer it into another bedroom. What do you think?
It's possible if someone wants to add another bedroom, but I think there is a lot of bedrooms already in this house. But if they want, of course, you can just close this door, have one door here, and again you have another bedroom right here. So now let's go and take a look at this bedroom. Every bedroom right here has its own walk-in closet, its own bathroom. The only one that doesn't have its own bathroom is this one, because this bathroom is actually shared. So this bathroom is shared with the other bedroom. So the two bedrooms right here on this side both have one bathroom, but again a big size, a huge windows, spotlights on the top, and this bedroom is also fronting the street. And right here walk-in closet, and let's go and show you the bathroom. So this bathroom, again, it has a double vanity and has a very nice cabinets in the middle. It has its own water closet right here and a tub. I can see that the people who built this house, they took a lot of time into it. They spent a lot of money to get truly a masterpiece. And I love everything about this house. So let's go right now from the second door and show you fourth bedroom in this floor. And again, same thing, same layout. You have a walk-in closet. This is the bathroom that is shared, and a huge size bedroom. And I love the big 4 windows right here. And look at your view. Again, you're facing the 7 lakes, you're facing your backyard, like just your backyard by itself. We're gonna show you the backyard later in the video. We would love you to support us with a subscribe and a like. And now let's go and continue our tour. There is a lot of things to talk about in this house. One of them is this luxurious foyer and this wonderful staircase. And if you look here, have your own little space here. You can put thing here, whatever you like, some decorations on this side. And again, look at the size, look at the way it's really curved. So Sarah, what do you think about this foyer?
I really like this size. Look at the huge ceiling, look at the beautiful chandelier. It's a very tall chandelier in here, and also gives you a very, very unique touch to the foyer. See the sunlight right now. Look how bright this area is in this time of the day. So this side is the dining area with the beautiful chandelier as well. The chandeliers are so beautiful in this house.
I agree.
The dining area here takes you through to the kitchen, but let's show you to the side of the house first. So on your right hand side of the entrance, you have this office, or either you can make it a bedroom. There's nothing wrong with this. The size is very big, so you can use it in both ways. Let's now take you to the kitchen. There's a beautiful thing here. You have your dining table in here, and you have an aisle here. Look at the aisle. There's a lot of cabinets in here. And now let's take you to this gorgeous kitchen here. It's so beautiful. Here you have first this side of the kitchen. You have a sink here with a lot of big cabinets in this side, and also you have a glass cabinet at the top, which they are attached to the ceilings. You have this side here with a beautiful microwave in here. Look how beautiful this is. What do you think, Saif?
I think that's amazing. And again, like, just imagine people have a lot of decoration. They can put it on these glass cabinets. They're gonna look amazing.
Of course, this is a good idea. Makes it look even better. And also look at the color of this backsplash, how it matches the top, the granite top of these cabinets. And also you have a cooler here. Look at this big island in the middle with a double sink here.
I think the island looks like a hockey stick. What do you think?
I know, right? I didn't notice this. Actually, there is here also, you can add 3-4 stools here. The size is very big here. Also, let's talk about this side of the kitchen. Here is, you have your massive fridge in here. You have, this side is the fridge and this side is the freezer. You do have a lot of cabinets here. Like, look how big they are. And also, as Saif said, there is a glass cabinet at the top, which you can add a lot of decoration here, which gives it a very nice and luxurious touches.
And I love the way they have LED lights underneath these cabinets all over.
Yes, this is also something that makes add a very huge difference to each kitchen. Here is, you have a commercial stove. You have basically 2 of them in this side, and also you have a digital screen in the middle, and you didn't see this. Look at this red lights. For example, if you have any party or something going on, you have a lot of food, you can leave it in here and it will keep it warm and so delicious, of course. And you have a water tap here that you can use. You don't have to move your bowl from the stove to the middle island every time you want to cook something. So this is also a very nice feature.
So in total, we have like about 3 water taps, or 3, like 2 sinks and 1 water tap.
Yes,
that's amazing.
You have this one here, that one, and here, this one at the top of the stove. Look at the backsplash again. Backsplash color is very nice, very matches with the granite top of these cabinets.
And Sarah, one of the things I've been checking is the hamburger. You can also do hamburger on this stove.
Yes, you're right. So we didn't show you this side. There's also a hamburger heater here on this side. So look how a lot of features in this stove actually. It's so beautiful. This is the commercial stove. There's a lot of things to do in it. And look at this beautiful 3 chandelier at the top of this island. Look how shiny and beautiful they are. They're reflecting the lights inside of them, and they are giving the kitchen a very luxurious touches. And also you have here your another dining area. In this side of the kitchen, you have a beautiful chandelier at the top, and the chandelier is actually matching with the other ones that are at the top of the island. And if that's not enough, look at the view of this dining table here. You have the 3 big windows here that actually you can see the whole backyard and also the 7 lakes, the golf course. What else do you need? This is so beautiful. I love this part. I love this kitchen.
Let's see the living area. So I really love this living area. It has a built-in speakers and have both lights on the top as well. And I love the built-in cabinets. They have a built-in cabinets right here, and there's a darker tone. So you have like almost a white for the walls and darker color right here. And very nice fireplace right in the middle. It's attached to the ceiling again, and you have very nice place to put your TV. I think, Sarah, what do you think? I think this could be even turned like into like a movie place. Like you can watch a movie right here with your speakers on the top.
Of course, why not? Because you have a lot of other areas that you can make it as a dining area.
So now let's go and continue the tour. On the other side of the house, you have a pantry closet. You can store like whatever you left it from the kitchen right here. And here you have a powder bathroom, vanity, a very nice light fixtures, and a very nice mirror. Now let's go and continue. So on this side, there's not a lot of stuff left. Here you only have just like a small like welcoming area. You can maybe put stuff to put your store your shoes in here, and that's a storage for your coats, clothes, whatever you have. And this door actually takes you to the 2-car garage. So it's a very nice garage for 2 cars, and again just some storage on the top over there.
Continue our tour. So this is the living room here. On this side you have this again beautiful chandelier, and also you have this beautiful big window that leads you to the backyard and the whole view at the very back of the house, which I don't think you will get any bored of looking at this window for the whole day. What do you think, Saif?
I think it's really amazing.
And here is another, I would say, connected living area, which is this one. You can make this one as like a living area, a dining area, whatever actually works for you. You have another 4 big windows here. So look how beautiful it is. Look how gives it a luxurious touches, and also the sunlight comes for the whole day basically.
And I love the fact that from this living room you can go right away to the backyard. You have an exit
so
here.
This is the exit for the backyard, and also there's a second exit for it, which is from the kitchen. And let's show you right now the rest of the house. So here we have another half bathroom here with a very big mirrors here with a beautiful light fixtures, a vanity, and a very nice granite top of this vanity. You have here a storage or a walk-in closet. You can make it for your coats and stuff. And this door will lead you to the another attached garage. You have a 3 attached garage in this house, so you can basically park your 3 cars in this house.
Don't forget, like this door takes you to the basement. The basement is huge. It's on the whole size of the whole house, and it's unfinished right now, but it has a high ceiling, big windows, so someone who buys this house could be easily finished later on. And keep in mind that this house is sitting on a huge lot, about 16,400 square foot, and just the structure size itself is about 5,100 square foot. It has 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and 2 half bathrooms, listed for $2.2 million. And let's go right now, show you the backyard. But before we go, make sure you subscribe to the channel, put a like, put a comment, and we'll see you in the backyard. Sarah, what do you think about the backyard?
This is actually so beautiful, beautifully done, landscaped backyard.
If you look at this side, you have a small place that you can plant whatever you have, like a trees or like veggies, small stuff you can plant here, or you can plant right in here. I think they have a couple stuff they have planted. I think that's really cool. And if you look, this is again your fire pit. Like imagine just on night time, you're sitting here, you open your fire, and I think you can even like use this one to
grill some stuff.
To grill something.
You can also fish here. What do you think?
Definitely, like there's a lake here. Guys, this place at night, it looks really different. We're gonna stay till the night to show you a little bit, but on the summertime, it's gonna be my favorite. Like on summer, you have lights all around, this very nice pool with the water feature, and also we have a jacuzzi on the other side as well.
I think you can use the jacuzzi even in winter, and you can sit here, especially like in this time of the year, you can actually sit here, you can enjoy the backyard. It's so beautiful, like even if it's in winter, you can do a lot of things here. You can sit there on the fire pit and you can enjoy your barbecue with the jacuzzi.
Right, and a very nice gazebo right here for a family just to sit, chill, while the kids are swimming. And I want to point one thing, like I really love the landscaping of this backyard in general, but especially I love the way they made the grass. It's an artificial grass, so you don't need to cut it, you don't need to maintain it, you don't need to do anything to it. And that's a very nice background here as well, with the very nice lights. I think this could be a place for taking pictures.
Yeah, I think so. Like if you're having a family guest, you can take some pictures here. It's gonna look so nice.
And I love that you have a built-in gas pipe right here. So if you want to put your barbecue right here, you could easily do that without the need to carry or to buy like a separate gas tank. This is your own here built in.
This part shows you the size of the windows for the basement. So it is a very big and fair size, and there's a lot of them here in the basement. So the basement actually you can easily convert it to a beautifully second unit.
Staying here and listening to all of this, it's truly amazing.
I want to give a big thanks to the listing agent Bilal Dabusi and to his listing brokerage Realty One Group.
If you have any question about this house or you want a private tour, reach us out. Number is going to be on the screen. And if you want to see more tours like this, make sure you watch this video next.